Welcome to another motivational episode from Tony. Today's episode is all about overcoming fear and limiting beliefs that hold us back from achieving our goals. Fear and limiting beliefs are powerful emotions that can paralyze us and prevent us from reaching our full potential. But don't worry, with the right techniques and mindset, we can overcome them and achieve our dreams. First, let's talk about fear. Fear is a natural response to danger or the unknown. It's our body's way of protecting us from harm. However, fear can also be irrational and hold us back from taking risks that could lead to growth and success. To overcome fear, we need to acknowledge it, but not let it control us. One technique for overcoming fear is to reframe it. Instead of seeing fear as a negative emotion, see it as a sign that you're stepping out of your comfort zone and growing. Embrace the fear and use it as motivation to push yourself further. Another technique is to visualize success. Picture yourself succeeding in the situation that is causing you fear. Visualize the steps you need to take to achieve that success and focus on those instead of the fear. Now, let's talk about limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the thoughts and beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world that limit our potential. They can be things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be able to achieve that." These beliefs can be ingrained in us from a young age and can be difficult to overcome. However, it's important to remember that they are just beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. One technique for overcoming limiting beliefs is to challenge them. Ask yourself if the belief is really true and if there is evidence to support it. Often, we hold on to limiting beliefs without even realizing it, and challenging them can help us see that they are not based in reality. Another technique is to replace the limiting belief with a positive affirmation. For example, if your limiting belief is, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable and worthy of success." In conclusion, fear and limiting beliefs can hold us back from achieving our goals, but with the right techniques and mindset, we can overcome them. Reframe fear as a sign of growth and success. Visualize success, challenge limiting beliefs, and replace them with positive affirmations. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Thanks for tuning in to another motivational episode from Tony. Please subscribe to receive new motivational episodes every week. Please like it, comment, and subscribe for more.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.